You will be paid whenever someone clicks on your links. Just click. No need to sell anything or get someone to sign up for a service whatsoever. This money-making strategy is simple and straightforward. We will only have 3 steps to follow, and we can start making money immediately. With that being said, let's jump straight into it. This is the website we are going to use to make money online. It's called Ally. What this website is and how exactly it's going to pay us can be seen right here. Earn money by sharing short links. So basically, this is a URL shortener like Bitly, which we have already covered on our channel. The difference here is that Ally will get you paid whenever someone visits your shortened link. The way this works is pretty simple. Let's say you shortened a link to some guide or online tutorial and share the link somewhere. If you give that link to someone and they click on it, well, before they get to the actual guide, they will first see some ads which are relevant to their browsing history. The ads revenue will be split between yourself and Ally. That's exactly how this strategy works and why this one is different from Bitly and other link shortening platforms. Well, you might be wondering how you're going to find a lot of people who are ready to click on your links. Keep watching as I am explaining that in a bit. If we click on Payout Rates, you will be able to see that it does work mostly worldwide. And on this page, you can also see how much you get paid per 1,000 people that click on your link. Clicks from Tier 1 countries will pay you more than the same clicks from the other countries. We will target the high-paying countries with a little trick I am revealing later in this video. Now that you know what this site is, how it works, and how much money you can make, I want you to click on Get Started and create your account. You will be taken to this page. Just choose a username, enter your email and password, then hit on Create an Account. You can also use your Twitter or Gmail account to speed up the registration process. Once connected, you will be able to see this dashboard. Everything is shown here, including the number of shortened links you have, the number of clicks you received, as well as your current balance. And so now that you have your account all set, let's move on to the second step. The very next site you want to go to is called ManyLink. But for those of you who don't know what this is, you can see it right here. ManyLink puts all the links you want to share on one simple, pretty page. We can click on Get Started Today and create an account. Just add your email and choose a username and you're good to go. Once connected, you just need to hit on Add Link and keep on adding the links I'll share with you shortly. This is your profile page where you are going to find all the links you have added. You can see that they are all listed on one single page. Now let's move on to the next step. I want you to go to Google and look for articles and blog posts in whatever niche you are interested in. I am personally interested in the How to Make Money Online niche. You can search for articles about gaming, technology, or even stock trading. The possibilities are endless. Once you find an article that you believe is interesting, simply copy the link and get it shortened on the Ally platform. Then get the link added on your ManyLink page. The result will look like this. A group of interesting articles is listed on one single page. Now we need to go on Facebook and look for groups in our niche and share these links with the group members. Try to target groups from the Tier 1 countries to get a higher click rate. The best part about this strategy is that you are sharing relevant free content that people will appreciate and would eventually share with their friends and family. You will also be making a very decent amount of money along the way. So everybody wins in this regard. And most importantly, you won't be banned by these groups because you're not giving out the Ally link directly as well. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and make sure to check out the other money-making strategies on this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe now so you won't miss anything in the future. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.